my overall thing with hair is healthy hair and not growth. Like, I don't focus on like how long my hair is and growth and all of that. Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I'm DeeDee. If this is your first time tuning in, go ahead and click the subscribe button for all my return subscribers. Thank you. Okay, y'all, so today's video is going to be very brief, but we're going to talk about my twists. So if you saw my previous video, I recently got my hair flat twisted. My first time ever getting flat twists. I've always wanted to do flat twists, but I can never do them on myself, right? So I went to the salon, got them done. They have been up for 3 weeks. I'm not sure how long they typically stay up. I don't know, but I do feel like I'm gonna go over the maintenance of mine and what I feel like has helped me so far. Now, keep in mind, like you see like my little edges and stuff out, I don't have anything on my hair. When I go to work, I put this Cantu extra hold. What is this? Edge control with this little brush, so that's what I use for my edges, but I don't have anything on it right now. But what I have been doing, because listen, I've been doing things a certain way for myself and it's worked for me, but I feel like the new stylist that I have is just really gonna up like my hair game and regimens and hair care and all of that. So when I would get in the shower, typically I would put on like just a little satin scarf and just go on by my business. Sometimes I put on a shower cap, sometimes I don't. Whenever you get a particular style, she told me that you need to put on a satin scarf, put on a bonnet, and put a shower cap on top. What I have been using this entire time is this DeeDee Mega Thick formula. And this is, it says mega thick formula, but the liquid is not thick at all. It's not, I'll show y'all later, but it's not thick. And I've also been putting this around my edges. So what I would do every morning and every night is I would just put a little bit of oil in my scalp, rub it, because I don't have that many twists, you know what I mean? So this doesn't take that long. Y'all, it feels so good, especially after about the first week when it starts itching, because mine now is itching more back here towards the back of my hair. That's where it itches. So when you have your oil, make sure, even if you don't have this particular oil, you can buy those you can buy the bottles that look like this at Sally's, because you want something that's smaller at the tip, because you want to make sure you get that all the way in there and rub it in. Because child, when I say mama head is itching in the back, mama head is itching in the back. So like I said, this don't take that long, girl. It'll probably take you about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes. Massage it in. Okay, that's what I've been having to do, massage it in. I hate it when I see people oil their scalp and then they don't get their finger or anything or rub it in. You gotta massage it in. I learned that from an old head a long time ago. Even with your edges, if you're trying to grow your edges back, whatever product you're putting in it, boo-boo, you got to massage it in. So I'll probably do a separate video for that on everything that I'm using to grow my edges back. But when you put that on here, you gotta rub it in. So make sure you rub it in. So this is what I've been doing. Like I said, every morning and every night, I get my oil, I rub it in, I go back through again, because this side typically itches a little bit more. I do take it down because sometimes you don't get all the stuff in the back. Maybe I should show y'all. Try to show y'all from the back. Now, if the angle ain't that good, I apologize. But because I can't see what I'm doing. But just make sure you get all that here, girl. And you can feel that oil when it's hitting your scalp. So make sure you get in the back. And a really, really important thing that I feel like people are missing is get some of the oil. See how light that is? Get some of the oil, rub it, and then put it on your ends. Now what I would do is every couple of days, it's just me. Again, my overall thing with hair is healthy hair and not growth. Like, I don't focus on like how long my hair is and growth and all of that. So what I would do was make sure that I have some oil on the end. And you can even use olive oil. Sometimes I would use my olive oil on the end, but I would untwist it just a little bit, put the oil on my finger and then just retwist it, because again, our ends are the oldest part of our hair, and when it's old like that, it's more fragile. And so I would do all the twists like that. Keep in mind, it's not gonna take a long time because you don't have that many twists. So this is just for demonstration purposes, because like I told y'all, I'm about to take these down. But yes, it is very important that you get the ends. So I would do that as well. And so I feel like all those things combined that I've been doing have really helped help me preserve this style. I really do. So I'm kind of anxious to see what it's gonna look like, because I have somewhere to go, so I ain't gonna have to do my hair. So I'm hoping that that it's gonna look okay when I take it down. Okay, so that was like the hair care regimen, right? Oh, I know what I need to tell y'all. So sometimes, when I would do it, I wouldn't have this on tight. I would have it on loose. Sometimes I wouldn't have it on at all. Then I would put my scarf on. But when I had my scarf on, if this wasn't covered, then I would put my bonnet on. Let me show y'all my bonnet. Okay, because we're gonna get this right. These are the two things that I would use to put on my hair to preserve it, okay? So you got that. So what we talk about? So we talked about oil in the scalp in the morning and at night, putting the oil on your fingertips and making sure you get the ends, unraveling the ends and retwisting them to preserve, and also just tucking it in. Like, I really like this particular style because my hair is not out. I like it when my hair is tucked in. Also putting the oil around your edges. We're just doing a little recap, putting the oil around your edges to make sure your edges are moisturized and they're not stressed, and all that other stuff as well. So now we're gonna go ahead and take it down and see how it looks. Okay, y'all, I got hot with my robe on, but let's go. So I took the first one down, and look how defined that is. And I do think it's shiny. It has some shine to it. What I'm learning is you have to be very delicate when you're taking these down, because like the little parts that you see, these are separate and they're small, and it's really easy to tangle if you're in a rush. So don't take your hair down if you're in a rush. Let me repeat that. Don't take it down if you're in a rush, because again, this has been up for 3 weeks. So there may be some tangling anyways, but I don't want it to frizz and all of that. So as you can see, I'm taking my time. I did put each time that each twist that that I go to, I'm going to re-oil my hair. Not re-oil my hair, re-oil my hand. So I did put some more oil in my hand for the twist, but see this part down here, that's what I'm saying. Y'all saw how I just did that. If I would have kept, it would have tangled. If you feel like the hair is gonna tangle, then just go back to the top, child, and start again. So twist, you see these little parts? This is what I'm talking about. If you go too fast, then this will tangle. So take your time and pull it out, and make sure you separate it. See, look, here, put my finger here, come down, separate. When I say separate, I'm talking about separate at the base. Twist, come down, and I'm guiding it all the way down so it won't tangle. Separate. Now, just because I'm doing it like that, it doesn't mean that it won't tangle, but it definitely decreases the chances of tangling. Down, separate. Y'all can leave a comment. Matter of fact, if you're watching this, leave a comment below and let me know if y'all like these type of talk through videos, because I do them from time to time, but I think lately I've been doing a lot of voiceovers, just because voiceovers are easier and I don't be wanting to bore y'all, so it's easy to just talk over some music or something like that. But if y'all want more in-depth, like step by step, talk through instead of talk over, then I can definitely do that. Y'all, my hair is so soft and shiny. I'm telling y'all, the key is making sure your hair is moisturized. Look at that. Girl, look at that, baby. Do you hear me? Okay, so I'm gonna just go ahead and finish the rest of my hair. But yeah, so that's how you do it. I am halfway done. Well, a little bit over half. I only have 1, 2. How many I got? Oh man, I got 4. I thought I had 3. So I got 4 left. Yeah, I got 4, and I went and got a light to so y'all can really see, because went back and looked at the video and y'all could see it, but I really wanted y'all to see like the shine and the definition from this. And I'm telling y'all, it's because I kept my hair moisturized my scalp every day. So yeah, I really think that played a part in it. I hope this light helps a little bit more. But yeah, I got 4 twists, and girl, it's taking a little bit longer than I expected, but I ain't gonna complain because, you know, it could be worse. I'm just glad that it looks good because I had no idea what I was gonna do to my hair. I was just hoping, Lord, fingers crossed, that when I take this down, it's cute enough for me to wear out. So I am going to wear this style for a couple of days. I probably could get away with wearing it longer, but my hair needs to be washed. It hasn't been washed and conditioned in 3 weeks. So I'm going to wash and condition it, and then I'll be going back to the salon to get another protected style. This time I think I'm gonna get the 2-strand twist because I wear my hair in 2-strand twist anyway. So I just want to see how she is going to do the 2-strand twist to see if it's something different than what I typically do. So for me, like, all of this is like a learning experience, you know, finally having a stylist that I can trust with my hair, that's patient and delicate with my hair, is gonna educate me and, you know, help out. Oh Lord, DeeDee, what are you doing? Running my mouth. Help out my skills that I already have, basically just enhancing them even more. Oh, there was a little snag. Girl, I'm glad I caught that when I did. But yeah, so I'm excited. Okay, y'all, so I just took out the last one. Look how pretty this is. Oh, I didn't take this one all the way down from the base. Y'all, this is so pretty. Look, do y'all see that? These curls are so shiny. Oh my God. I haven't teased them or anything. Look at that. Y'all, that is pretty. That is pretty. I love it. It's so defined. I think that's what it is. It's like the definition. It's the definition for me, girl. I love it. 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 I don't know how I'm gonna wear this. I'm just glad that it's down, that it's pretty, and I like it. I'm gonna come up with something. I'm probably going to separate it a little bit more. So I'm probably going to, yeah, like I said, separate them a little bit more, and that'll be it. Put like a little edge control on my edges, but y'all, absolutely love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm so excited. So,
do you have any pies?
Do I have any what? Do I have what?
I'm gonna make you some coffee. You got some coffee pie?
Oh. Look at that white thing in the pantry. Okay. So y'all, I really love the way it came out. I don't know what it looked like from the back, but I'm gonna show y'all because I trust that y'all ain't gonna talk about it because I hadn't separated it. So this is what it looks like from the back. So yeah, I think the only thing that's left for me to do is just separate it. Y'all, I'm so excited. I really like the way this turned out. I was like, Lord, I'm gonna cross my fingers. I've never had flat twists. I've never taken them down on camera before. So hopefully it turns out right, and it did. So if y'all have any questions, leave them down below. Again, let me know if you like these walkthrough videos, like step-by-step talking through videos instead of the voiceovers that I do sometimes. But yeah, so until next time, talk to you guys later.